So hello friends, welcome in this sketchware tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you that how can you avoid taking screenshots in your app in sketchware. In this way one cannot take screenshots of your app in sketchware. So at first I am creating a new app, screenshot remover. Okay, here you see, here is the app. Now you can give anything what you want with your app. This is your app, you can give anything. Now go to on activity create and go to operator, then give this code add source directly, and then I am giving some codes here. You can get this code in the video description. Look at the video description for the codes. Now I'm gonna run this app. Well, the app is being installed and now I'm opening this app. Here you see, now if I go to take any screenshot, look here the message, can take screenshot due to security policy. So this was the app, so easy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and please like this video and please share more and more these videos.